I have no idea how to do this. Honestly, no idea. Because it doesn't go straight. If I had that thing, I could make it happen. But nothing.
Students are using their knowledge of some basic physics to calculate the acceleration of the block on the floor, from the floor. And they're going to use some raw data to figure out that acceleration. And then I'm going to give them the initial velocity that we're going to use from the block launcher, and they're going to have to use their calculations to calculate how far the block's going to go from there. They have a little bit of background information, so they have some ideas of what to do, but they have minimal tools with which to do their calculations, so they have to think about it, and it's a little bit of a challenge to them. So we'll see how they do.
Determine acceleration. How do we find acceleration through that?
You can find acceleration because you have like the 4 variable equations.
You're right.
I think you need to find A. Like, yeah.
By finding A, we can find C.
First you need to find time, yeah.
How many distance? How far you told us there were 12 inches.
Yeah, he went just.
Maybe we should just get it to go short distances and be more exact.
I have a super-duper block launcher down there, and I'm actually going to put some suction cups, rubber band, and I'm going to have the rubber bands propel this block.
Okay,
So I'm not rolling it, I'm sliding it. The block is being slid.
Okay.
It's a good question. Okay, this is good. So you need the quantities, initial and final velocity, to find the average velocity. That's really important. So you need both. Do you know what the initial velocity is?
No.
No.
No. Do you know what the final velocity is?
Yeah.
0. All right, so do you feel like you know what you need to do to get a good calculation for initial velocity? All right, go.
Stop.
Time is like from 5 to 6.
In one round.
It's actually pretty accurate with our first one.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I'd like to give you about somewhere like between 5 and 10 minutes to do some calculations. I'm going to tell you this. The initial velocity of my super-duper block launcher is 29.5 tiles per second.
Wait.
Yeah.
So I'm calculating V1. We have to calculate V1.
Yeah, with like V1 for like, that would be like 20 times 2 divided by 2.1019. Wait, how'd you get those?
2 times the distance.